This is BNB, the powerhouse behind the BNB chain ecosystem. Its name, Build and Build, reflects its mission to fuel a new generation of decentralized applications. Originally the utility token for the Binance exchange, BNB has evolved into a multifaceted digital asset. It serves as the gas token for the BNB chain, enabling transactions and smart contract interactions across a vast network of dApps. BNB began in 2017 as an ERC-20 token on Ethereum, created to fund the Binance exchange. In 2019, it migrated to its own purpose-built blockchain, the BNB chain, becoming the native asset of a powerful ecosystem. This new home features a dual-chain architecture, the BNB Beacon chain for governance and staking, and the EVM-compatible BNB Smart Chain, which supports a rich world of decentralized applications. On the Binance exchange, BNB unlocks numerous benefits. Its primary use is paying for trading fees at a discount. Holding BNB also contributes to your VIP level. The more you hold, the higher your tier, unlocking greater fee reductions and privileges. It offers a practical solution for portfolio management. With one click, you can convert small, untradeable balances of dust into usable BNB. Finally, holding BNB is your ticket to Binance Launchpad, determining your allocation in initial exchange offerings. Beyond the exchange, BNB is essential to decentralized finance. As the gas token for the BNB Smart Chain, every transaction, swap, and DeFi interaction is paid for with BNB. You can also participate in network security by staking your BNB. By delegating tokens to validators, you help secure the chain and earn staking rewards. BNB also bridges to the real world. Through services like Binance Pay, you can use BNB to pay for goods, book travel, and shop worldwide. A key feature of BNB is its deflationary tokenomics. A portion of BNB is permanently removed from circulation through a quarterly token burn. This is managed by an objective auto-burn mechanism, adjusting the amount based on BNB's price and network activity. The goal is to reduce the total supply from 200 million to 100 million, a mechanism designed to support the token's long-term value. When storing BNB, you have options that balance security and convenience. Hardware wallets offer maximum security by keeping your private keys offline. Non-custodial software wallets give you full control over your keys on your device. Keeping BNB on an exchange offers the most convenience for trading, but means entrusting a third party with custody. Your choice depends on your personal strategy and risk tolerance. For advanced traders, the BNB market includes derivatives like futures and perpetual contracts. From a simple utility token to the cornerstone of a thriving digital ecosystem, BNB's journey is one of constant evolution. It powers transactions, unlocks benefits, and drives the future of DeFi. To explore its full potential, visit Binance. Always do your own research and trade responsibly.